Welcome to Cubes and Cube Roots. Let's take a look at this question over here. Give the cube root of 3. Give the cube of 3. So, a number cubed, for example, 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Okay? So this number signifies how many 2's we have over here. Does it make sense? Okay. Let's take a look at this. 3 cubed. So 3 cubed equals 3 times 3 times 3, which is 9 times 3, which is 27. Okay? Let's take a look at the next question. 6 cubed. Okay, so 6 cubed is 6 times 6 times 6, which is 36 times 6. Now we're going to do multiplication here. 36, 96, not 96, what did I just do? That's 216. Okay, 216. So that becomes 216. Okay, I'm going to actually do this multiplication a bit slower. 36 multiplied by 6 is 36. And that becomes 186 plus 3, which is 216. Okay. Let's take a look at the next question. Give the cube root of 64. So to find the cube root of a number, we're going to have to put it into a prime factorization. Okay, just like we did earlier in identifying perfect squares and cubes. If you need some help with that, just take a look at that. Video, identifying perfect squares and cubes. Okay, so divide this by 2, we have 32. Divide this by 2, we have 16. 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. So 64 equals, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's. So it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? Now, because we want cubes, take a look at what we can do here. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. This is 4. And this is 4. So 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 cubed, right? And so 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, right? Just like we said over here, it's the same number. So that means that 64 equals 4 cubed, okay? So to find the cube root of 64, that's just going to be 4, okay? Let's take a look at 512. Okay, so we'll put 512 into a prime factorization. We have 206. You can divide it. Not 206. What did I just do there? 256. I'm sorry about that. 256. Here, you should be doing these divisions like this. Then your 2, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. That is 1, 1, 2. So I'm left with 56, 256. Okay. Divided by 2, 128. Okay. Do these divisions on your own. Okay. That's 64 divided by 2. That's 32 divided by 2. That's 16 divided by 2. That's 8 divided by 2. That's 4 divided by 2 is 2. So let's see how many 2's that is. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we're going to write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 9 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This equals 512. Okay, so we can separate this into 3 pieces. Okay, and so 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So this is 8 times 8 times 8. So 8 cubed equals 512, which means that the cube root of 512 is 8. Okay? Of 512. Okay, and also I just realized here you have to write the statement that the cubed root of 64 equals 4. Okay, and I'll show you why that's true. So if, I'm just going to the side here, if 64 equals 4 cubed, if we were to do a cube root on both sides, right, because what you do on one side you do on the other, the cube root of 64 equals, this cube cancels and this cube root cancels because those are the opposite, so this becomes 4. Okay? And for this question down here, let me just cover that one more time. So if 8 cubed, like we wrote over here, 8 cubed equals 512, we take the cubed root, one sec, and we take the cube root of both sides. This cancels, and 8 is the cubed root of 512. Okay? And this is how you write your answer. That's cubes and cube roots.